John Belcher, Law Offices of John Belcher. We're going to talk about a sporting dispute involving the NFL and Deshaun Watson. Deshaun Watson was accused by over 20 women in the massage therapy business of unwanted touching and sexual improprieties. And just the sheer numbers and the specificities resulted in civil lawsuits. Criminally, the case was found insufficient to proceed, and he never was charged criminally. The NFL originally proposed a suspension, which was appealed, and ultimately, the sides agreed on an 11-game suspension. Well, a lot of people are upset that Deshaun Watson is not contrite at all. He says he didn't do anything wrong. And in fact, the Cleveland Browns, who obtained Deshaun Watson in a trade, specifically structured the contract to have a signing bonus such that he was paid on the face of the contract league minimum, so that the 11-game suspension would have relatively minimal impact upon him, who's ultimately going to collect over $200 million under that contract. So the question comes up, why, if Trevor Bauer is accused of non-criminal conduct with a woman that is admittedly horrific, why is he suspended for 2 years? And why is Deshaun Jackson suspended only half a season? Or for that matter, why is John Gruden run out of the league for tweets that or emails that are 10 years old, when in fact other individuals within the league, including owners, similarly were guilty of such conduct? And you can look at a number of baseball players, including the beloved shortstop of the Dodgers, Trey Turner, who had homophobic and racist tweets and suffered no punishment whatsoever. The answer is that the NFL is a very profitable business with multiple billionaire owners and billion-dollar valuations to the franchises. And their rights deal in terms of their broadcasts are well over $10 million a year. It's a business, and they want the stars that people want to see on the field. And it's also perfectly legal because the owners pay Roger Goodell for the owners to ask Goodell what the likely punishment would be before trading, and to do horse trading and so on and so forth. So if you were expecting, quote, justice, unquote, from the NFL in the amount of punishment that was leveled against Deshaun Watson, just remember that they're not in the business of punishment or justice, or for that matter, having players and, for that matter, coaches and owners that are moral leaders. Instead, they're in the business to make money.